Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Abism, and in today's video we are going to be opening up something that I've been waiting for a very long time, and I've always kind of had my eye on this doll. And yes, it is going to be a doll unboxing today in today's video. I know I haven't been doing a lot of doll unboxings like on my channel, so I apologize for that. I just, you know, obviously dolls are pretty expensive and I don't have all the funds for them, but today we are going to be opening up an Angelphilia Type M doll, and I'm super excited, guys. I have been trying to find this doll for pretty much like a month now, and I haven't been able to find it on Mandarake, anything, and I was specifically looking for a Type M and in the whitey skin tone, and I finally came across it on freaking Facebook Marketplace, guys, and I'm super excited. It did come overseas, so customs did go through it, so I'm gonna like see what they did and stuff, but I'm going to just open the package, and I do have an actual little knife to open up the package today, guys, because I know all my other videos I never do that. So yeah, we're gonna put the camera down though so you guys could see. I'm gonna just, all right guys, we're coming together. It's working. Okay. I'm like so excited right now, like you don't even fucking know. It's been forever since I've gotten a doll, guys, so this is like Christmas for me, as y'all know. Like I am obsessed with dolls in general, if you know my channel. And guys, I'm struggling with this tape, like it's insane. This has got to be the most craziest unboxing I've ever done. Like I'm actually struggling, but it's okay. It's okay, guys. Okay. Oh my god, here's the box. Okay. So I'm gonna get rid of this actually. Okay, all right, so this is what it looks like. It does look like customs did open it, because it looks like the seller actually did like make it look cute, but you know, customs has to go through packages that are from overseas, so, which I was really nervous about, guys, since that was like the very first time I've ever really had to go through customs, and it was really weird, but you know, it's whatever. And my cat is trying to get into the camera right now, but this is the box, guys. It does look like the doll might, ooh, it does look like the doll might be okay, so I'm just going to open her. I hope you guys like this camera angle. I don't know if I should do like overhead, but I do like to show my reaction, like even for myself. Go back and see like my reaction. So okay guys, I'm super excited right now. Oh my god, guys, she gave me some clothes. No hecking way, no way. They are so sweet. Guys, the previous owner gave me some clothes. This is so nice. Oh my god, literally, that is just so nice, honestly. Wow, just wow. Like, that is so amazing, because guys, as y'all know, I don't have clothes for this doll. I don't know what these are, but these look like they might go on the legs. But guys, I don't have any clothes for the doll, so this is really amazing right now, like that I actually have some clothes. Like I'm planning to sew everything basically, because that's what I do. But basically I did buy the doll with like full body and then a torso. So yeah, I'm gonna open this torso up. Where is my Exacto? So also guys, I just want to put full warning, this is going to have some doll nudity in it, so please exit out the video like right the heck now, because it is going to be some doll nudity, so you should go. And also my girly back here, Fable, is back there, so she's super excited for her new sister like, joining in. So yeah, again, click out the video, y'all, because it is doll nudity. Click out if you don't want to see. But as y'all see, this is the torso that I got, and oh my god, not me smelling it, and it's very squishy, which not me squishing the boob, but this is actually insane. I am obsessed with this doll already. Y'all don't even know, like, I didn't even see the doll yet and I'm already obsessed. And then I have some extra hands right here, just extra hands, nothing crazy. She has like a fist also, and these do have like painted nail polish. But guys, it's time to open the freaking doll because I'm talking too much. The doll came with some freaking eyes too. Oh my god, this seller is so freaking amazing, like not even joking, like they're so freaking nice. They gave me all the paperwork, guys, and a picture. Thank you so much if you're watching this, like you are the best. This is really making my experience so much better right now, like I'm not even joking. But I'm going to get this doll out now. Hey guys, oh my god. Now guys, this doll is way bigger than I freaking expected. It looks like Customs might have like took the tape off or something because it's scuffed a little bit on the face. I don't know if you guys can see that. But guys, this doll is way bigger than I'm used to, okay? So this is kind of like a 1/3 scale, but I think it's like 50 centimeters. I'm not really sure. But you know, you guys know that I'm used to 1/4 scale. Like that's pretty much as tall as I go. But like honestly guys, I've been kind of obsessed with the Angelphilias, and to be honest, I kind of want to collect more. To be completely honest, after seeing this right now, like I'm obsessed. Like hello, yes ma'am. And guys, oh my god, she's so pretty. I'm crying. Oh, what was that? Oh my god, it was her arm. It was her arm. She's probably like really loose right now because of the yeah, I think she's really freaking loose right now because it was kind of hot today, so I'm probably gonna have to like just let her sit out with the air on. But guys, as y'all see right here, this is the doll. I don't have a name for her right now, and guys, it's getting a little dark in my room. As y'all see, this doll is way much taller than I expected, really tall, and this doll is wearing heels on, so that's crazy, like actually. So yeah, she did come with a little bit of like vinyl messed up on her nipple, but that is completely fine. Like I can fix that, like I can just blush it or just wipe it completely, to be honest, and just like fix it. But then again, like she came with the extra bust, so like that's good. But guys, I am going to be doing her face up also myself. I've never had like a vinyl doll, so I'm super excited about how that's going to turn out, to be honest. Yeah, I'm kind of scared to take her head off, but I'm gonna oh my god, this is like so freaking cute. Guys, I've been obsessed with these dolls. I swear, I downloaded like a whole Japanese, I think Chinese app actually for these dolls, and I'm like obsessed. And also one of my friends said that they do have a sculpted booty hole, but to be honest, I don't think this one has a sculpted butthole, but that's okay. But As I'm looking at her, guys, she really doesn't like have any staining or anything. And also, I should probably mention, not my cat trying to like get in the box right now. What are you doing? Come here. What are you doing? Why are you being so sneaky? Anyway, guys, look at her. Like, she doesn't really have like any like damage or anything to her vinyl. Like, I see a few stains, but to be honest, like, I don't give a frick. I don't really care. It's going to happen, obviously, because they're vinyl. Like, as y'all know, this doll is honestly in really good condition, so I'm super happy. She does come with healed feet, which I'm probably gonna have some struggles with, but I can easily try and find a place where I can find like the flat feet, guys. But yes, she is so freaking pretty. Like, I'm obsessed. And guys, I wanted a type M face so bad, like, you don't even freaking know, and I'm so happy that I finally have her. Yeah, I'm really liking this. She is stuffed with stuffing already, because the previous owner did say she did in fact stuff her. I love how I've been just doing all of this and haven't even posed her or anything, guys. Let's give her like a cute little pose. Oh my god. Wait, the posing is actually really good. What? Oh my god! I'm crying, guys. Like, I'm actually about to cry. Like, this is actually real. Like, wait, what? This is freaking for real. I actually have this freaking doll now. I'm definitely going to get the other sculpts. I honestly am so impressed with this doll. I'm actually falling in love right now, guys. But I really do want a type R. And I know that's crazy because not a lot of people like the type R, but I have this app. They have like the prettiest pictures of Angelphilias on that app, guys. Like, I'm obsessed with that app. But yeah, I'm definitely going to have to link that down below for you guys. But I'm gonna stop rambling and get her dressed because, like, what the heck, like, what am I doing? I should definitely be getting her dressed right now. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'll be right back, guys. And I'm gonna put a wig in and the eyes that I got on her. So I will be back. Okay, guys, so I am back, and I did put an outfit on her, the outfit that the previous owner that I bought her from gave me. I did have it without the skirt, but I just wanted to put the skirt on because, like, why not? I am super happy, guys. Honestly, this is like amazing. I freaking love her, and I do obviously have wigs for her. Her eyes kind of messed up, don't even mind that, but I'm definitely going to make more videos with her, guys, for sure, if you guys are interested. Like, I definitely want to make the Angelphilia community not so scarce, actually film Angelphilia videos. But obviously you guys know that I'm going to have to do her face up, so if you guys want me to do a video on like the process of me doing face ups, like, I'm honestly not 100% on face ups right now because I still kind of mess up here and there. My girl back there had like about a bajillion face ups until I finally did it like the other day and finally like enjoyed it and liked it. So I'm really happy about that, and I don't know, I'm kind of like scared to do her face up because she is a vinyl. But yeah, another thing is I definitely will recommend where I can buy flat feet, guys, so let me know because I would definitely really appreciate it. And I also would appreciate places where I can buy her clothes. Obviously I am going to be sewing like my own clothes, but I definitely think it would help to know where to buy clothes for her, especially I'm kind of looking for, you know, the more risky looks. So obviously I'm not really that good with making that, even though it's lingerie and stuff. It's kind of hard to, I don't know, it's kind of hard to sew that type of stuff because it's very tiny, very small. So I would really love for you guys to tell me that. But yes, this is my Angelphilia, guys. I'm so freaking happy, especially because like I really appreciate that the previous owner that I bought her from, she gave me clothes and eyes, and that's just like so nice. Like that type of stuff just makes me so happy. And then, like, she obviously came with the extra bust, and it's crazy because, like, guys, I was manifesting her. Like, I swear to God, I specifically manifested her. Like, I didn't want her to have like a big chest really or anything, because I knew that that was going to be hard for me to like make clothes with. Obviously I definitely want a bigger chest Angelphilia. This is pretty big, but to be honest, like, I can go bigger, like yeah, especially for my type O girl that I'm definitely going to get. So yeah, I'm super excited. This is crazy. This doll just looks so cute. I don't even know. They just look so cute, guys. What the heck? But also, this is my little Monica Sophia, and this is her face up, guys. I'm kind of obsessed with her face up now, so yeah, and I did it all by myself. So yeah, this is my girlies. I don't know what her name is going to be, so definitely leave name suggestions in the comments for me, guys. I'm super excited, and my kitty says hello. I don't know what she's doing, but she says hello. She's just, yeah, she's just sleeping. Oh, okay, she's licking her bed. But anyway, I'm gonna go, like, honestly, I want to do the face up right now. Like, I'm not gonna lie. I want to do the face up now, but it's kind of late and I can't see, and the sun is like going in my face. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoy. Remember to follow me on Instagram, because I am obviously going to post pictures of like everything on there. Follow me on Instagram, follow me here, I guess. Subscribe for more if you want to see more dolly content, which I definitely will start to do again, because I know like a lot of people have been subscribing to me because of dolls. So yeah, I'm definitely going to do that some more and stuff like that. And I just have so much to like do, guys, with this new doll. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe, and just enjoy the rest of your days. So yeah, bye guys.